uh, let's say we have the same sequence again, and this time around we are doing the least recently used. Basically, it's a replacement algorithm that replaces the page in memory that has not been referenced for the longest time. So let's see how this works. um, as usual, the first number occupies this frame, no page fault. The second one comes below it. The third one is reused. Unlike the FIFO, here in the FIFO we just left everything as it is. But here it is important for us to write it below it so that to be consistent, right? So the first one comes here at index 2, the second one comes at index 1, and the third one comes at index 0. You realize there are two twos here, but two occurs like twice, right? But here we don't write it there. We just, this is for our tracking, right? So these two, we assume it's different from these two, but we know from the frame here it is reused, right? So let's say we assume here it is already full filled, but here it is not filled yet, so there is no page fault. Okay, even though there is no page fault, we are going to imagine as if there is a page fault, that this 2 is going to be replaced by this 1, when in reality nothing has happened. Okay, so the actual page fault is going to happen here when 5 comes in. Actually it is full, it is filled here after 1. When 5 comes in, the page fault happens. So as 5 is coming in, which one is at index 2? So 3 is at index 2. 3 gives space to 5, and 5 comes in. So if you follow this, if you follow the pattern like this, that's the answer, right? So even though 2 here is going to be reused, we have to still maintain this indexing. This 2 this 2 here will be replaced by 2 again, right? It sounds funny, but yeah, just so that we can be consistent. Okay, but actually there is no page fault because it is reused. Okay, here there will be page fault because 4 is not in the frame. So 4 comes in, which one is at index 2? We see that 1 is at index 2, right? So 1 gives, okay, this is up here now. Okay, 1 goes out, 4 comes in place, and so on. 5 again, here it is reused, but still it is better for us to, imaginary, or at least in our indexing, swipe them. So 3 here will cause a page fault. So which one is at index? Remember, we always remove this one, and then this goes top here, and this goes below it, and the new one comes down. So that is what is happening. So now if this one goes, this 2 goes at the indexing, the new number will go to index 0, and the number that was below 2, which is 4, will go to this indexing, and so on. If you follow the pattern, that is for the LRU. What is happening?